even hooked inside of that head. You guys just hooked it in there.
Yeah, but they put a pin through it.
Really?
Yep. Taylor wouldn't go. Alright, Taylor, go.
All the bitches we're about to have over. The bitches we're about to be banging.
What an idiot. Oh, I thought he was just going to burn out over
Me
his
too.
ass.
Oh, okay, go.
He said, How could somebody say those pipes look tacky? Look at that. That's what I'm saying. It doesn't look tacky. He goes,
Because he drives a freaking Jeep like a fag.
What the fuck he's talking about? My boss. No, not Brandon. Brandon's not my boss. Are you fucking me? Can't laugh then.
I heard something go boom.